Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face.
Morning.
Wake up, get up.
Thank you for having me. So, well, they are going normal like this. So, after Alton, you know, normal in normal man, you don't stand touch more. Just a normal day. In the vibe. That's it. No. Kind of sick still. What? No? Dancing people. Dancing people. One normal. So remember guys, as you come for the channel, subscribe. Subscribe as you come for the channel. So let's say I general listen. When I got father, when I read.
I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking that from my kids. Talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid.
Just they have a normal morning now, but I'm going for a walk. Going out this morning. I run up into some fine people. Alright. So one normal like that.
I can smell the smoke from the
bacon.
bacon.
So you go by.
Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
You must say, come for the channel. Subscribe. Right? Subscribe.
I know that today be a good day.
So everybody say.
Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds in my. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always
knees turned weak, my head was spinning round. An angel dressed in velvet. I tried to speak, but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground. Medic, man down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. I've searched everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic, man down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic, man down, March got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Medic, man down, March.
Good morning. Welcome to a day in the live with Alton. So, want to see how long I go on in the morning time. It's not every morning. I don't really wash though, but yeah. So, welcome. And remember, as I come on, subscribe. And also, I want to thank you all for the support, the love and support. They are actually 17k. No, not 17k. 1,700 subscribers here. Almost there 1,700. Almost there 1,700. Almost there 1,700 subscribers. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. But I need you guys to comment more. Yeah. I need to see you comment more, man, and go on in a bag of things. Isn't it? We need to hear no reviews them. We need to hear what go on out there. We need to know my real fans them out there who love Alton. Isn't me? We need to know all of them something there. So we need to talk up, man. Let me hear what go on. Because if you don't talk, I can't hear it. Isn't it? If you don't talk, I can't hear. So yeah. So no, they say we do a little washing and a little cleaning up now and then. But yeah, now officially I look for an apartment. So if you don't know an apartment will really fit Alton, just send me the info. Go over my Instagram and message me at official Alton Garden. Yeah, send me them info then. You can message me over there, so or WhatsApp me. So you can message me, get my WhatsApp number, or WhatsApp me, and make you go on about that thing. So thank you guys again. 1700 subscribers. Not bad. We're getting there. We're getting there. See who can help me to reach 1,000,000 subscribers. Or 100k. We start at 100k. Quick and fast. Alright, so today I go on normal idea same way. You understand? Also the cash app is there. Isn't it? It always there, so cash app is there, so if you don't want to show no love and support, you can just cash up or send it. I don't have my name already. You just need to send me the info when I'm gonna do it. Alright, so not because we don't talk about it every day or talk about it a lot doesn't mean that I'm not still going through some things, doesn't it? You know, me a man, and you know, really like to talk about things a lot. You know what I mean? I take a lot of guts to talk about things. So thank you guys. You know, I can't stop telling you thanks, you know. Isn't it? Can't stop, I can't stop telling you guys thanks. So they are still, we don't know which new movie we are doing idea. You understand? I don't really know which new movie we are doing idea.
Yo!
Some other things over it.
I don't feel.
Come here, man. Yes, sir. Where that one?
Over there.
Start, man.
Oh, sitting there. You know, internet sitting there.
I have it on my computer. I'm gonna know where there's something there.
Oh, yeah, I'll be on over there now.
Yeah.
I have to do that, brother.
So this is Talk Up TV. In there I go on normal.
Today I go on normal, isn't it?
It's Fire as cousin.
Yeah.
Take
Off your griffin. They mash up some food, you know? Yeah, man.
Man, them man don't cook on the yard, them man go buy food.
My youth, really, my youth. Yeah, I can cook, you know. Getting mackerel and dumpling.
Look how early it is. Look how early it is, and man and rice and peas and chicken. Really? Cook some dumpling and yam and sit there with some steamed fish and
people, I one of them day there. One of them day there when they have to run on the road from early and I get the time. You know what things that we all busy.
One of them every day there.
My youth, yeah, man.
Yo, see something?
Right there.
Carry laptop.
Yeah.
So yeah. So yeah, man, we there I go on now and see me an idea. I got things over. You know, I love my socks, you know. So I'm not forward. You know, socks. And them bad boy cologne there, you know. Have to fresh up. Well, smell breezy. And because I see me sweaty on the video, I have to fresh, you know, you hear that? Fresh. I look nice. I smell nice. Ain't no joke around here. Alright, so come on, we are going normal idea. Alright, so what am I do? Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do first idea yet. I don't see it. Understand? Now we'll see what will go on. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, please. I beg, I beg, oh, subscribe. As you come on, subscribe, oh, I beg, please, 100k, please, I beg, subscribe, oh, subscribe. I beg. Also, tell you what I'm going on. We need to get like some pizza and some ice cream and some of them things there for the youths them in the community. Because you know I love the youths and you understand. I love the youths. I love kids. I love family. I'm a family person. So need to get some ice cream and them something there. So if I feel like I don't want to support same, you see cash up so I go on normal. You understand? If I feel like I don't want to support the thing, I'll make it look nice. So, yeah. Cash up there. Go on normal. Yeah, just need to big up some people too, you know. Good morning. Kind of sick still, but yeah. Good morning. Just wanted to say, flu. So I can't do. I think I'm normal and get better. You know. It's just a normal flu. Going at the rain. I was in the hot car and going at the rain. So, yeah. So gone still, I don't know. Probably not take that long. But I go on normal. Just come for a normal morning walk in the morning. So, I'm just gonna do a little walk. I can't do nothing too hectic. You understand? So, good morning. Also, you don't know what we are going to do in the morning yet today. But the movie, let's get down to business. It has set an impact. It's setting an impact, therefore, it's taking quite some time. It's taking quite some time to finish. Yeah. Just want a mango here. Woohoo! Hope I don't eat out. No, my lean still.